What's up, everybody? So last video y'all saw I got the Redcat Kaiju up and running. Did a lot of work to it. This is another item I got in that trade with my buddy Ryan. This is a Arrma Senton 3S. Whenever I got it from him, he told me he thinks the dips are bad in this one. He said he thought that the motor or ESC was bad in the Kaiju. Said he thinks the diffs are bad in this one. So with that being said, I'm going to tear it apart, go through, redo everything, clean it up, replace any broken parts. Might find a different body because that one's just not doing it for me, and go from there. So kind of looking at it from the beginning, front bumpers pretty gone. Looks like some upgraded shocks. Nice Spectrum 3300 system in it. It's the BLX motor mount, so it's got some upgrades on it. Looks like an upgraded steering servo. Overall, it looks I'm not gonna say it looks in pretty good shape because it's got some wear for sure. Rear bumper bars broken. It's not the biggest of deals. I might try and just glue that one back. I don't know yet. But overall, it seems like it's in decent shape for, all things considered. Like I said, he thinks that the diffs are bad in it, but I mean, yeah, I don't know. You don't hear the motor turning whenever you do that, so that kind of sounds a little odd. So yeah, I got my camera battery charging right now, so as soon as I get the battery on it charged, I will swap back over to it and record some of that process. So I'm going to start tearing this apart. I'm going to see about trying to record some of this on my phone. I have a tripod, or like a little mini tripod set up right there, see if I can get it angled down so y'all can see. But yeah, we'll go from there and see how it turns out. All right, so I finally got it completely apart. So wheels and tires, side guards, body mounts, upper control arms and steering arms, drive shafts, front bumper. These are all the pins and everything for the axles, nuts. These are for the front hubs, steering pins, front and rear like brush or like skid plates, diffs, drive shaft, shocks, front and rear diff housings, steering assembly, front and rear arms. It's actually kind of nice because these are upgraded RPM arms, hubs, transmission assembly, battery straps, main chassis, front or wheelie bar, and then the electronics, and then the body. So now the fun part of putting all of this and getting it cleaned up and going from there. What's up, everybody? I'm kind of a little bit later in the day, or later, a few days later. So I was kind of going through some of my parts and stuff, looking for some other stuff, and happened across the box that Ryan gave me when I originally got this. And in that, I got an all metal steering, all metal drive shafts, some replacement arms. These were what I was actually wanting to get some more newer ones for these because these are kind of beat up. Another bumper setup, and a brand new bumper setup with the front bumper in it. So that gives me actually the majority of the parts that I need with some upgrades to put all this together. So I got the chassis glued back together, and I'm gonna start putting it back together now. So do another video from above so y'all can watch it all kind of go back together. All right, so I got the Senton 3S done. While I was editing, I realized I didn't make like a completion video, kind of jumped around. On this one, it wasn't as organized as I did the other one. So I'll try and get better about that one. But I did end up ordering a brand new body like I had mentioned. Did cut the fenders, front and rear. It's got a little bit bigger tires on it. But I do think that it looks better with them because the other ones are like a little bit smaller. But yeah, this is what the result is. Like I said, brand new body. These are the shocks that were on it, but as I said in the video, all new metal drive shafts, new metal steering, bunch of new arms. I did take it out and run it. Thought I recorded the video. Guess I did not, so I'll get a video later on about it. But the only thing that's not really matching is the orange right there, and then not the orange, the red that's right there, and then the orange on the Spectrum stuff. But everything else is a nice blue. Even the servo, it's a real nice, strong servo, real quick. Overall, I'm super excited. Super happy with it. It's beat on, but you know, it's all gone through, all fresh. It's all a lot better shape than it was in before. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I still new to editing and stuff, so please be patient as I'm trying to figure it all out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share this around so other people can see the content that I'm creating. Other than that, hope you have a wonderful day.